Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain about how to export the PDF files and the DW files on the output option. On going to the Auto-Cad and create the Auto-Cad new file first. For example, I'm creating the drawing. I'm selecting the drawing on this PC and go into the local disk C, and you can observe on the program files on the Auto-Cad 2016 with the drawing all are installed, and go into the sample file and go into the sheet sets and go into the, you can observe on the sheet sets you have architectural, civil. I'm selecting the manufacturer. You want to import any of the files. These of the existing files are available on your PCs on where the Auto-Cad is installed, and guess on to the S. You can observe the layout drawing. It is available with the sheet sets also. It can observe on the screen like this. Some of the drawing, this is the outdoor drawing. One of the sample file is there on the Auto-Cad file, and let's get started. After that, you can observe the different types of layouts already explained in my previous tutorial. This is the layout model. You want to how to export this file to the PDF. I will explain with plot also. This way, by using the output, you can observe the export and the options, and you can also create the PDF file. And how to create this I will explain in this tutorial. And you can observe on the layout model what are the operations I perform in this. You can observe, and this is the one of the layout model is actually created with the existing drawing. And go to the export. You can observe on the output. You can observe on the model. You can see with difference between the door sub-assembly and without the model is not located clearly. And go into the layout and click on the PDF file and click on the PDF file on the export. You can observe on the right side some of the options. Will you want to change any of the options, you can change. Then PDF presets and the options also available. I'm selecting the Auto-Cad PDF general document is there. I want the simply cleared. Select the Auto-Cad PDF high quality print on that and click on the options. You want to change the vector quality and the rasters images quality or the pixel qualities. You can change the pixels also by using the export and PDF options on the right side of the some of the options are there. You want to check any of the uncheck the marks, you can uncheck the marks, and you can output controls and open in the new window. You want any of the PDF stamps. I'm created some of the my channel name. This you want to create the plot stamps. You can also create the plot stamp by without after the printing on the PDF file. The plot stamp is available on the file. And go into the desktop and go into the open. You can observe the files, what are the images files also you can create to print onto the files of any of the logos are there. You can observe by using on the plot stamp. This is the simple tutorial for the beginners. I'm explaining some of the basic tutorials also explained in previous tutorials. You can observe how to plot and batch plot and preview and page sub managers. And this is the current layout and the current I'm setting all the options and creating the desktop. I want to create this file on the desktop and click on save option, and file of types are PDF files. I'm selected and click on the save option, and simply the plot here is completed and the plot and publish job is completed. The print is completed, and go to the desktop. The file is created. You can observe on the top of the desktop, and you can observe the file PDF file is open like this. You can observe the same as what you observe on the Auto-Cad without any of the mistakes. You can observe the what are the PDF files what is located on the Auto-Cad. You can observe, simply export this PDF layout file, Auto-Cad layout drawing to the PDF. I want to explain the DWF file, how to create the DDF and DDF FX file also I will create in this tutorial. See the full tutorial, and you can observe the DDF export. You can create a DDF by using the Auto-Cad also, and go into the options same as. You can observe the export to DDF options. You can avail the different types of art. How to change the options also I will explain. And is same as include plot stamp is there, and the open viewer after done is there. You can observe, and simply you can observe on the below these options are available on the export to DDF options on the dialog box. You want to change the location, you can change the I want to change the location to desktop, and you want to type multiple sheet file. You can also type multiple and the single sheet file. This is the draw naming is there, and the layer information and the merge control. You want to all the lines to merge, you can merge all of the lines. And the data options also included. Don't include the block informations, and any of the block files are there. This block information is not available. And this is the options of the DW file. As per the requirement, you can print all of the files and change the properties. This is the simply I'm explaining like this. And you can observe on the desktop, I'm exporting the DWF file, and simply click on the DWF and click on the desktop and change. You want to give any of the file name as you wish. I'm giving like this, and click on save option. You can observe on the top of the desktop, you can observe the one of the file is created. This is the DW format. As per requirement, you can use these DW files, and you can observe the different types of files and DWFX, and the current layout is there. You can observe the save as PDF options. This is the difference between the DW options and the PDF options. And export and current layout is there. And I want to create the DWFX. This is the like the image file it is created. You can observe and click on the save option. What like the drawing is created like this. You can observe this is the DWFX file is created. You can also print this file to the PDF. You have any of the default printer is there of the PDF file. The plot and publish is completed. You want to export the PDF options is different, and the DW options is different. You can observe on the screen. You want to give on the preview. The preview also available on the output on the below. You can observe the layout has different types of export, and the page setup current is there. You can observe. I will show the difference between those also this way. And you can observe the current layout and the export, and some of the features are there. You can observe on the top of the screen. This layout model is created. This current layout lies export options is different from the model. You can observe. I will click on the model. This is the model. I want to even see the display extensions and window what are available to plot this type of you can observe a difference between the model drawing and the layout drawing. Because it want to any of the window file is located to want to some of the files I want to print this type of drawings. You can simply click on the export files or display changes, and simply click on the door assembly of the layout. This is actually created as a default. You can print the file like this only. You does not want to change any of the export files are not changed. Before comparing to the model and the door assembly, how to export and import the models and the layout already explained in detail in my previous tutorial. You can also check my previous tutorials. This is the tutorial for to export to DW PDF.